Ron Finley, the Gangster Gardener.
All day,
the one and
every
only.
day.
All day,
At
every
the
day.
Gangster Garden. So, come inside.
Oh, no way. Ron, this is just magic. So Ron, why gangster?
If you touching the soil, if you feeding people, to me that's gangster. People are like, oh, that's gangster. No, this is gangster. The soil's gangster. It's amazing, especially if a kid gets experienced that. You know, to have this something you can barely see in the ground and all of a sudden it's something that can feed you. That's magic. I want us to just green this whole damn planet and start with your own area. Start with your neighbor. Start with a growing group and do it collectively and share the food, share the growth, share the knowledge. I want people to really hone in and realize just how important, you know, the act of cultivating and growing food and harvesting and cooking your own food is. It's a life skill. We got probably some sunflower seeds, we got some spinach, we got some Cape gooseberries, sugar cane.
Oh.
We actually have money too.
Do you have money trees back here?
No, well, we actually have some money that we printed. This is it.
With your face on it.
Of
course.
It's my money. Of course it's got my face on it.
Look at that. Seed money.
And it's got seeds on the back. So the dollar amount represents how much produce you would get. So this is $150. So you would, if all these seeds come to fruition, you would get $150 worth of tomatoes.
With just these seeds, you get
Yes.
$150 worth of tomatoes. So it is like printing money.
It is. I'm trying to get people to realize that.
This is
There's
really
resources all around you.